The Navy is cutting apart its own jets, not because of a crash or war, but by choice. These F-A-18 Hornets were once the backbone of American naval air power. For decades, they ruled the skies. Today, they sit retired, engines removed, wings dismantled. A silent end for legendary machines. But this isn't weakness. It's the start of a massive strategic shift. The Navy is clearing the way for air dominance with modular systems and unmanned platforms. Retiring the old allows focus on cutting-edge capabilities that will define the next century. The Hornet served well. Now, the horizon belongs to the digital age. I'm your host for Defense Decoted. Most F-A-18 jets were designed in the 1980s. Today, many airframes are over 30 years old, far exceeding their planned service life. Carrier operations are brutal. Saltwater corrosion and high-tempo deployments push these machines beyond their engineering limits. As they age, the maintenance burden skyrockets. It takes longer inspections and costly repairs just to keep them flight-ready. The math is harsh. Sometimes, the cost of keeping one jet flying exceeds the price of a modern replacement. To maximize resources, the Navy employs strategic dismantling. They take apart certain jets so their parts keep the rest of the fleet operational. This essential process is controlled cannibalization. It's a critical necessity for fleet survival. It ensures carrier air wings remain mission-ready. This is Defense Decodet. Stay tuned for more insights into the skies. Modern air combat is no longer about speed or dogfights. It's about stealth, sensors, and networked warfare. That's why the Navy is transitioning to the F-35C Lightning II. These jets collect and share data, dominate the digital battle space, and integrate seamlessly with ships and drones. Retiring older jets makes room for this future. The U.S. Navy isn't losing strength. It's evolving it.